right, it's our final day of ear training. We are going to do the exact same exercise that we did yesterday, and I am not going to give a preamble or explanation. I'm just going to set the terms and we're going to get to it. So the terms are, we're going to either be doing major thirds, minor thirds, perfect fourths, or perfect fifths. And what your job is to do is identify which of the ones I'm playing. They might be going up or they might be going down. But the idea is which of those four intervals is the excerpt that I'm playing. Here we go. Major third. Perfect fifth. Minor third. Minor third. Perfect fourth. Perfect fifth. Oh, sorry. Minor third. Perfect fourth. Minor third. Major third. Perfect fifth. Major third. Minor third. Perfect fourth. Minor third. Perfect fifth. Let's do two more. Minor third. major third.